My video guide is about getting rid of the adware called BrowserElement. This BrowserElement is the adware from the adload family of computer infections. BrowserElement adware, once installed, starts to display the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. BrowserElement adware attacks Mac computers and Mac-related browsers, Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and others. BrowserElement adware is often spread through integration with a lot of free applications, and in most of the cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this adware was installed into your system, you need to get rid of it right away. Check your applications, find this BrowserElement, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. Of course, if you find anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it. I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.